Well, good morning and welcome to Whinlatter Forest again. It's Sunday the 28th of January 2018 and we've decided to come out for a wander. Conditions underfoot, a bit damp today, but cloudy, a bit of drizzle, a bit nippy, so we'll just see how we get on. John's wrapped himself up as usual. Anyhow, we'll crack on, see how far we get. Well, we've had some strong winds here as well this week. On these old trees have been split over and clattered onto the forest track. I wonder how many more we'll find en route today. So that track there was where we were when we went to Broomfell last year. We took that direction, so I think we're heading more into the centre of Whinlatter Forest on this track. This one leads up to Lord's Seat eventually, but I don't think we're going to get on top of there because it'll be absolutely caked up with mud today. So, let's crack on. Well, this bit of footage is with the new camera, this little square SQ11 effort. I'm just going to spin it round, this low effort. Morning, John.
Morning, Mark.
And we're just seeing how it's working. So along the forest tracks we go, out the wind. So Monty's off, walking alright today, nice to see. Nicely out the wind. A few people might be out this morning. We've seen a number of cars ligging around, so I expect to be a few folk on a wander on this Sunday morning. Well, we're climbing up now, a little bit of elevation, get the blood moving. Murphy's covered in little stickies all over him. Just passed quite a group of walkers there with the dogs, heading back down the car park, so there's plenty out. And Monty's getting himself caked up as usual. Come on, a few new tracks here. I don't recognise there's one that goes up there to dead end. Oof, that wind. Oh well, crack on. Well, we'll say we've been walking, what was it, John, about a mile and a bit, you'd say?
Yeah.
Look at your watch then.
Oh, sorry.
Look at your new watch. What's it say?
Hold on, my heart rate's 94. I'm going to still on my warm up. Hold on. Hold on. It's a Sunday.
Well, I said...
We've done just over a mile.
Is that it, a mile? First, Christ almighty. Oh, we've walked 2, nearly.
You'll go up there onto Whinlatter if you want.
Yeah, John's just pointing out all the random routes up on the Whinlatter top, but I don't fancy going up steep.
We'll check up Lord's Seat there. We'll go up there.
Murphy's getting caked up here, like.
Come on, there.
I'm going to splash about. It's always nice walking on the forest tracks, it's very easy doing and keeps your fitness up. So, and today I'm sampling a new rucksack. I think John's going to...
Look at that beauty. Look at that. Direct. Jam Direct, look at it. Look at that.
30 quid of my best money spent.
Yeah, look at that.
But as you can see, if you're a bit
tight.
on the porky side, it just fits me. Do I look porky? I don't know, but I'm like, it's like a fashion show this. Proper fashion show, but it actually feels comfortable. 55 litre, it's not bad. Probably use it for a wild camp as well.
Look at that, the man from Sports Direct, Mr. Chav.
This was from Lidl.
Oh, sorry, Lidl Direct.
Thank you very much. Well, the wind has now got up now. I was just about to say, we're passing this on the forest track. We've come from up there. Nice little camping spot here, but if the wind's in your face, like, it's going to be curtains really, so need to think about it. Blimey. So much for a quiet Sunday walk. Let's crack on. Well, got up in the middle of the forest now. It's quite windy. Plenty of folk around the main cycle area. We just passed a load of mountain bikers who've gone in that direction into the forest. So all the trails and stuff. So plenty of folk about, eh? Well, there's more footage from the SQ11 camera. Just walking along. I haven't been up here for a bit, so all these fences have been put up now. Tracks have been improved, certainly. So we're going in the deep dark of the forest now. I haven't got my night vision on, no. I love these forest walks. Breathe it in. I'm not talking about your farts either, John. Breathe the fresh air in. Lovely. Very nice. I'd say I've done about 2.5 mile walking now, so not bad. And it's sheltered here as well, out the wind finally. Great. So we've got a track where it meets up with the bikers one. This is, I think is it officially a walking track, this, John, this one? Yeah. So quite nice out that wind now. Oh, feel like we're in the clouds a little bit here now. Coming in, a bit misty, mysterious.
I think we'll cut off the main tourist bit now.
The main tourist bit.
We'll
Which part isn't the main tourist bit on here now?
Oh, there goes
Well, crossroads coming up now, so we'll decide which way to go in a minute. Well, just stopped in between paths. Lord's Seat is in that direction, it's in front of us, but we're not going up there. It's cloudy right over anyhow, probably a bit crappy as well on the foot, so we're playing it safe on these forest tracks. We're coming round to the other side of the forest now. Just a shame it's been dull. That's been blown right up, look at that. Strength of the wind. But it does make a considerable difference when you're in a forest out the way, it really does. So just coming into shot now, round this corner, I'll be Bath. There we go, over there. I think there's somebody on it, yeah, some activity going on. And behind this skidder, you can't see a great deal. Try and zoom it in a bit. Yeah, can't see very much. It's a shame about the views, John, eh? Right, let's crack on. Well, I'm really sheltered now. We've got out any form of wind. It's so calm in this area now of the forest. Monty, come out the way as a biker. So I've got some mountain bikes coming up here. Just come out with it. You alright, aye? Some good trails up here, man. There's another one on the way as well. Plenty of people about. I'll stick to the road bike though. It's my preference. Well, we're just looking for a little sit down now. There's little benches over here. Love the view. We can have a Keswick, down water at Rested Fells. It's cleared out a tad. A little bit, not too much, but it's not cold anyhow, that's for sure. Look at that, lovely view.
Oh yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah. Sit down.
Yeah, we'll have a seat. We're just walking back round here. It's got a bit windy now, wind's back in our faces. Look at this drop down here, straight down. Blimey. It's a long way down there. So we're back on the track. We're not going towards it, well we are in the direction of the visitor centre, but we're not going to it, so it's probably a bit loud. Is my voice loud, John, or the wind louder? I can't tell, so I'm just speaking louder. So I've had a bite to eat and we're cracking on. We've done about 5 miles now. It's been a nice walk, proper nice. Let's crack on. Well, we've just stopped at a nice opening. This is one of John's favourite views when he's walking up Whinlatter, all around. You know, the paths here and there, 3 levels. Very nice. As you can hear, the dogs are messing about. You got much to say? Any descriptions about this view, John?
No, lovely.
Just lovely.
Lovely. Just
lovely. That's all he's got to say. Man, a few words today. I don't think he talks much on a Sunday.
No. Just hear me singing in chapel.
Monty, no, don't chase him because you'll end up hurting yourself. Murphy, no. Monty, come on. Being silly.
Come across this fella in the middle of the woods and he's very, very strange.
And you, Murray, the Gruffalo.
Right.
Big lad.
Huh?
Big lad.
Isn't he?
Worth about this, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't seen this before up here.
Have you not?
No, I haven't.
There's a bit of a resemblance.
What?
Between you, have a look.
I'm not
Smile.
going to pull a face. Although I have been in a braffin before for gurning. So, hey, so look at the colour on it. It's got the purple spikes on back as well. Proper smart. Proper smart.
Come here. Get here. Get to
have
the
a look.
side. Get here. Just out of curiosity, it looks like the Gruffalo horse.
Oh, it's very dubious
Thompson on
indeed.
me.
Very dubious indeed. So, I don't know. You've got no teeth, so it'll have to be me. Oh, look at that, like, unbelievable. Can't believe it. What do you think, Penny? Don't know. I think Monty's going to piss up on it. Nice shelter spot this. Yeah. Another nice seat here. Just walk across. Alright, Murph. Deserted us. And this info is just about the wildlife and stuff, the squirrels we get here and that, like, and loud birds and all the other stuff. So it's quite a good loud spot. This looks relatively new as well. What's that say? Oh no, Philip. It says Philip. 69.93. It's a 93. Aye, very interesting. Right, we're at the Lal Gate now, and John's decided we're going to go up to the top and bear these conditions out. Looks a bit rough and ready. Alright, Mon. On the gate, shut the gate. That's it. My goodness, Murphy, crazy dog. Right. Alright, Mon, we're going up. Come on in, let's go. Jesus, we're top of Whinlatter. Blown a bloody hoolie. Can't say much. John's getting blown back down. Blimey. Are you alright, buddy? Yeah. Oh. Goodness me. Jesus whipped. Can't see nothing. See absolutely nothing. I think we need to get back down on the path for a bit of shelter. Hell's bells. Top of Whinlatter finally now. It's very windy. You can see like Monty's coat. Blowing a hoolie. Blowing a hoolie. Can't hear out. Can't hear a thing, like, so just doing my best to talk on it. But it's bleak. Proper bleak. So we're not stopping on here for a very long matter. It's absolutely bleak as hell. Let's crack on. Well, this is Brown How, where it's just off Whinlatter Top. Some would call it Whinlatter Top as well, but it's open to debate to various people. But John just said this shelter has been rebuilt. Extremely windy, So the shelter's handy for doing a bit of commentary. Very windy. Goodness me. We're not staying up here long. Still, very poor conditions in the wind. So we're going to head back down into the forest now. Goodness me, that is windy. Thankfully, goodness gracious me, we got out of that hoolie. I think that beats the low fell walk we did a couple of years ago where the wind was just ridiculous. And we've come back down into the shrubbery finally. So from what was an easy walk into a hell of a slog up top of Whinlatter of all spots in that wind, that was ridiculous. So anyhow, good fitness. So we'll head back through this forest area and come out somewhere. John seems to know where we're going to come out. The master navigator of this area. Yes, well, let's crack on down this tree line. Well, coming down this path now by this old stone wall. It's right next to the tree line. It's not the easiest of paths to get down, it's quite slippery. John's just up there on his way down. I can't see the opening to the path at the bottom yet, but have to be careful. The only good thing this is we're sheltered from that wind. You alright, buddy? Yeah, right, you're taking us on some wild goose chases in this bloody forest, like. Any need for it, like, eh? Nice easy walk on a Sunday, eh? It's like bloody ski Sunday this now. Well, that's us back now from the top of Whinlatter, out that horrible wind. Christ. People's going to laugh at them faces on the videos. Blimey. Flipping hell, that was unbelievable, that wind.
My stupid idea, eh?
Yeah.
For once,
fantastic, yeah.
I'll take blame for that.
Right. So, I've got one on him now, like, from previous walks. I've gone the wrong way, Ollie. Well, he planned this terrible route this afternoon. So, but one thing anyhow, even though it was on the top, it wasn't really cold, so never had to put the gloves on. And you, then again, you're older than me, so nah. So
just a couple of months. So YouTube vote, who's the youngest? Anyway,
we're going to crack on home and get a nice warm bath, and it's made for getting 30 pot time tonight. So
very nice, very nice.
What are you having?
Salad. God knows.
Oh well.
So to wrap up.
Anyway, that's probably that's it for January anyhow. Looks like it is getting warmer. That's one positive thing from today.
Well, we're trying to get fitter.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So anyhow, till the next one, that's goodbye from him.
Goodbye from there.
Thank you very much.